So a comic actor I like very much. It's actually a local comedian who's from the town that I live in, Manchester. Sorry, the town where I grew up. His name is Peter Kay. He's quite a plump chap. He started off doing stand-up comedy in the clubs, and he went around for many years building up a fan base. It became more popular. And then I guess he got his big break when he started a TV show and on the BBC. And since then, he's done lots of different programs. He does stand-up comedy. He does TV programs. The most famous one, I think, was his carpool, carshare program. And it's basically a program where he's in the car for the whole 30 minutes of the program. And he shared his car with a colleague. They're going to work together, part of the carpool program. And they talk about different things in the car, and it's all shot in the car as they drive around. They make jokes, they talk about work. So it's a comedy about the funny things you observe in everyday life at work. And he's a brilliant comic. I like the fact, I like his comedy, his humour. I like his personality. He's very down to earth. He has deadpan humour. He's very pragmatic. He's not very PC, but he's not offensive either. And I just think he's a very interesting comic. I guess he represents, he kind of shows aspects of British life in a very funny way, which is nice and attractive to me. So yeah, he's probably my favourite comic.